Next I have division. The inverse operation of division is multiply. So we're going to multiply the number that is with the variable to both sides. So if this is my division problem, x over 8 equals -2. If my goal is to get the x by itself, I have to get rid of everything that's on the same side. So I have to get rid of this 8. So this is a division problem right here, and the opposite of divide is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. Now this side, I made it a fraction to match the fraction here. But I know that if I cancel out diagonally, 8 can go into both of these one time. And then 1 times x is x, 1 times 1 is 1, x over 1 is just the x. And that's how you get the x by itself. And now I have -2 times +8 is -16. Again, plug this -16 in here. -16 divided by 8 gives you your -2. Okay, I have x over 9 equals 6. I want the x by itself, so I'm going to bring the x down. In order to get the x by itself, I have to get rid of the 9. Whatever I do to the left, I do to the right. These will cancel because 9 can go into both of those once. Leaves you with x over 1 or just x. And 6 times 9 is 54. Just a side note, when I copy these over onto Google Classroom, the fraction parts disappear. So make sure you're going off of what I'm writing or go off of my page to make yours correct. All right, this time we're going to do fractions. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction that is with the variable to both sides. So let's say I have 9/16 x equals 21 over 8. I need the x by itself. That's my goal. So that means I have to get rid of 9/16. Well, 9/16 x is a multiplication problem. The opposite of multiply is to divide. But dividing fractions is actually keep, change, flip. You're actually multiplying by the reciprocal. So you're actually multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, the flipped fraction. And if I'm multiplying by 16 over 9 here, I have to multiply by 16/9 over there. Okay, those are both going to cancel out because 16 and 16 would go down to 1 and 1, 9 and 9 would go down to 1 and 1, and 1 times x is just x. Cancel out diagonally here. 8 can go into both of these. 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 16 twice. 9 and 21 are divisible by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 7 is 21. Multiply straight across. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we learned in the last chapter that when you have an improper fraction, you have to make it proper, and you do that through division. 14 divided by 3. 3 goes into 14 by 4, which is 12. Subtract. I'm out of numbers, so I'm going to create a mixed number, and I get a big number 4 and a 2 over 3.